You may have seen them buzzing around a flower or disappearing into the leaves. But insects aren't just passing through your garden, they're working, pollinating plants, recycling nutrients in the soil, helping plants disperse, and feeding birds and other wildlife. In fact, entire ecosystems depend on millions of these tiny workers, which most of us rarely notice or see. Here at the garden, we're studying these insects to better understand how ecosystems function, so we can protect and restore them. The work begins with observation. We watch closely to see what the insects are doing and how they might be supporting other living things, like plants. Consider, for example, the harvester ant. It moves through the landscape, gathering seeds and carrying them sometimes across great distances to its underground nests. Some seeds are eaten, but others are dropped or discarded along the way, allowing them to sprout in new places, far from their parent plant. Over time, this simple relationship between ants and plants helps shape the entire landscape. But these relationships are fragile. Invasive species, like Argentine ants, can push out native harvester ants. When that happens, the effect ripples across the entire ecosystem. Plants may lose important seed dispersers, and animals, like the coast horned lizard, that depend on those ants for food might disappear. But studying insects in the field and gathering data in our lab, we can track these changes and guide conservation forward. These tiny workers may be easy to overlook, but when they go about their work, they're helping ecosystems grow, regenerate, and flourish. The more we understand their roles and protect the habitats they depend on, the more we support something bigger, the health and well-being of all who depend on them. For plants, for wildlife, and for our community, right here at Santa Barbara Botanic Garden.